Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. In this video, I'm revealing genius Amazon organizing finds that actually do what they promise. From your bathroom to your kitchen, these hidden gems will change the way you organize your space. Let's get started. Tired of cables slipping off your desk the second you unplug them? This handy cord holder keeps everything in place. No more chasing charging cables under the bed or getting tangled in headphone wires. Just stick it to your desk, nightstand, or even your car dashboard and enjoy a clutter-free, tangle-free setup. Cereal dispenser? No more stale cereal. This cereal dispenser keeps your breakfast fresh, portioned, and easy to pour. It's great for kids, prevents messy spills, and saves pantry space. Breakfast just got way more organized. 360-degree rotating desk organizer, pens, scissors, sticky notes. Why do they disappear when you need them? This 360-degree rotating desk organizer keeps everything within arm's reach. No more rummaging through drawers for that one missing pen. Just give it a spin and boom, you've got everything at your fingertips. Towel holder. Nothing ruins a bathroom vibe faster than towels that keep falling to the floor. This towel holder keeps your towels securely in place, neatly displayed, and always within reach. Whether you need it in the bathroom, kitchen, or gym, it ensures your towels stay dry and fresh. Plus, the sleek design adds a touch of elegance to your space. Functional, stylish, and mess-free. What's not to love? Cabinet turntable. Say goodbye to digging through deep cabinets. A cabinet turntable makes grabbing spices, condiments, or toiletries effortless. Just spin and find what you need in seconds. It's a small change with a huge impact on organization. Couch console. Turn your couch into the ultimate relaxation zone with this couch console. It holds your drinks, snacks, remote, and phone all in one place. No more spills or lost remotes while binge watching your favorite shows. Comfort and convenience, all in one sleek design. Bathroom glass shelf. Your bathroom should feel like a spa, not a disaster zone. This bathroom glass shelf adds sleek, modern storage without taking up valuable space. Keep your skincare, shampoo, and essentials neatly arranged, making your bathroom look clean and polished. The sturdy glass design blends seamlessly with any decor while ensuring everything is within reach. No more knocking over bottles or struggling with limited counter space. Under bed rolling storage. Why waste all that space under your bed? These under bed rolling storage bins let you tuck away clothes, shoes, blankets, or even holiday decorations without cluttering your room. The smooth rolling wheels make accessing your items effortless, and the low-profile design keeps everything hidden but organized. Decluttering has never been this easy. Branch Traceless Hanging Hook. Need extra hanging space without damaging walls? This 3-branch traceless hanging hook is your answer. Stick it on any smooth surface to hang bags, coats, or kitchen tools with zero drilling. A space-saving hack for every room. 3-in-1 charging station. No one likes a messy nightstand with tangled wires everywhere. This 3-in-1 charging station charges your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds all in one sleek setup. No more hunting for different cables or dealing with cluttered outlets. Just drop your devices on and let them charge in style. Perfect for keeping your workspace or bedside table neat and organized while ensuring your gadgets are always powered up. Yoga mat rack. Keep your fitness gear organized with this yoga mat rack. It neatly stores your mat, foam rollers, and resistance bands. Perfect for home gyms or small spaces. Your workout area stays tidy and your gear stays in top shape. Over-the-door organizers. Running out of storage? Think vertical. These over-the-door organizers turn any door into a storage powerhouse. Use them in your bedroom for shoes, your bathroom for toiletries, or even your kitchen for pantry items. They're easy to install, take up zero floor space, and make organizing a breeze. Who knew a simple door could hold so much? Floating nightstand bulky furniture taking up too much space? A floating nightstand is the perfect minimalist solution. It mounts to the wall, freeing up floor space while still giving you a spot for your phone, books, and nighttime essentials. Storage Ottomans. Why settle for just a seat when you can have storage too? These storage Ottomans double as stylish furniture and hidden storage, perfect for blankets, toys, shoes, or anything cluttering your space. Whether in the living room, bedroom, or entryway, they add a chic touch while keeping things organized. Plus, they're comfy enough to rest your feet on, practical and stylish. Charging station. Tired of tangled cables? Never again. A charging station organizes all your devices, phones, tablets, smartwatches, in one spot. It keeps everything powered up and declutters your nightstand or desk. No more hunting for lost chargers. Desktop organizer. Is your desk drowning in papers, pens, and random clutter? This desktop organizer keeps everything neat and easy to find. With multiple compartments for stationery, gadgets, and notes, you'll never waste time searching again. Perfect for home offices, study desks, or even makeup storage, because an organized space means an organized mind. 3-in-1 hair dryer holder. Messy bathroom counters? Not anymore. This 3-in-1 hair dryer holder keeps your dryer, straightener, and curling iron neatly stored. It saves space and prevents tangled cords. Your styling routine just got way easier. Say hello to an organized beauty station. Sink Caddy. Tired of sponges and dish brushes cluttering your sink? This sink caddy keeps everything neatly stored in one spot. Designed to hold sponges, scrubbers, and even dish soap, it prevents water buildup and keeps your kitchen sink area clean. No more messy countertops, just an easy, organized way to do dishes. 360-degree rotation makeup organizer. Stop digging through messy drawers for your favorite lipstick. This 360-degree rotating makeup organizer keeps all your beauty essentials neatly displayed and easy to grab. With multiple compartments for brushes, foundations, and skincare, it's a total game changer for your vanity. Just spin and find exactly what you need in seconds. Feet scrubber shoe. Tired of bending over in the shower? This feet scrubber shoe cleans and exfoliates your feet hands-free. Just step in, move your foot, and let the soft bristles do the work. A spa-like foot massage every single day. Paper towel holder. Upgrade your kitchen with this sleek paper towel holder. Designed for easy tearing and quick access, it keeps your countertops clean and organized. Whether mounted on a wall or placed on a counter, it's a simple yet effective way to keep paper towels within reach while saving space. TV stand with drawers. Your entertainment setup just got an upgrade. This TV stand with drawers keeps your media accessories, remotes, and gaming consoles neatly tucked away. The sleek design adds a modern touch to your living room, while the extra storage helps keep cables and clutter out of sight. Enjoy a tidy, stylish space while binge-watching your favorite shows. Stackable storage drawers. Maximize your storage with these stackable drawers. Perfect for closets, pantries, or under sinks, they keep everything neat and visible. No more messy piles. Just slide out a drawer and grab what you need. Great for small spaces and easy organization. Kitchen Cabinet Door Organizer. Utilize every inch of your kitchen with this kitchen cabinet door organizer. Easily mounted inside cabinet doors to store foil, plastic wrap, cleaning supplies, or even spice jars. It's a space-saving game changer. 360-degree rotating bookshelf, book lovers. This one's for you. This 360-degree rotating bookshelf makes organizing your favorite reads a breeze. No more digging through piles of books. Just spin and grab the one you need. Its space-saving vertical design is perfect for small apartments, home offices, or kids' rooms. Functional, stylish, and a must-have for any bookworm. Glass spice jars with labels. A spice rack makeover? Yes, please. These glass spice jars with labels make your kitchen look clean and organized. No more mismatched containers, just sleek, uniform jars that keep your spices fresh and easy to find. Couch tray. Tired of balancing drinks and snacks on the arm of your sofa? This couch tray transforms your couch armrest into a stable surface for drinks, remotes, and even laptops. Whether you're watching TV or working from the couch, this handy gadget keeps everything within arm's reach without the risk of spills. Pot lid rack. Tired of lids cluttering your cabinets? This pot lid rack neatly organizes your lids, making them easy to access and preventing that frustrating clattering noise every time you open the cupboard. Whether wall-mounted or placed inside drawers, it's the perfect solution for a tidy kitchen. Stackable storage drawers. Maximize your storage with these stackable drawers. Perfect for closets, pantries, or undersinks, they keep everything neat and visible. No more messy piles. Just slide out a drawer and grab what you need. Great for small spaces and easy organization. Clothes storage bins. Say goodbye to overflowing closets. These clothes storage bins are perfect for seasonal wear, linens, and extra outfits. Their sturdy design keeps dust out and makes stacking easy. Declutter your wardrobe and free up space instantly. Mop and broom holder. Stop leaning mops and brooms against the wall. This mop and broom holder keeps cleaning tools neatly hung and off the floor. Perfect for laundry rooms, garages, or behind doors. A simple way to keep your home tidy. Wall-mounted toothbrush and toothpaste holder. Upgrade your bathroom with this wall-mounted toothbrush and toothpaste holder. Designed with a sleek, hygienic dispenser, it keeps your toothbrushes clean and dry while eliminating messy countertops. With separate compartments for toothpaste and brushes, it's a simple yet effective way to keep your sink area clutter-free. Adjustable storage shelf dividers. Turn any shelf into an ultra-organized space with these adjustable storage shelf dividers. Whether in closets, pantries, or bookshelves, they help keep clothes, kitchen items, or paperwork neatly separated. No more messy stacks, just clean, categorized storage at its best. Sink topper foldable cover. Need extra counter space? This sink topper foldable cover turns your sink into a functional workspace. Use it for meal prep, drying dishes, or even as a cutting board. When you're done, just fold and store. So convenient. Valet tray. Keys, wallet, watch. Always losing them? A valet tray keeps all your daily essentials in one stylish place. Perfect for entryways, bedside tables, or office desks. Stay organized and never forget your must-haves again. Charging station. Tired of tangled cables? Never again. A charging station organizes all your devices, phones, tablets, smartwatches, in one spot. It keeps everything powered up and declutters your nightstand or desk. No more hunting for lost chargers. Shoe cover machine. No more muddy footprints indoors. This shoe cover machine automatically wraps your shoes with a protective cover, keeping your floors clean and germ-free. Ideal for homes, offices, or places with high foot traffic. It's a convenient way to maintain hygiene without extra effort. A must-have for rainy or snowy days. Shower door hooks. Add instant storage to your bathroom with shower door hooks. Hang towels, loofahs, or robes without drilling holes. They're sleek, sturdy, and a total game changer for small bathrooms. More organization, less mess. Basket cart. Storage that moves with you. A basket cart keeps essentials like laundry, toys, or pantry items neatly stored. With wheels for easy mobility, you can roll it wherever you need. Perfect for quick cleanups and extra storage. Drop your favorite in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart shopping tips.